Throughout the initial lockdown, my days were filled with online classes and phone calls, and because I was observing strict social distancing, I had not seen anybody in months. So when the lockdown eased a little bit, I decided to have a little picnic with my siblings and cousins, and we chose Rocksport's outdoor location as it was a quick road trip and looked great in the photos. The first thing that struck me was the lush green grounds around me. The sight was quite beautiful. Our day was filled with fun little activities, but nothing so big that it would feel like work. That's exactly what we had all needed, and we had a lot of fun dancing and playing games, eating snacks and meals, and of course doing the fun little adventure tasks across the grounds. That one-day picnic revived us for another few months of lockdowns, to be honest. We talked about that day for weeks afterwards, and our frequency of calls and texts increased because we had that shared experience among us. Our WhatsApp group is still going strong. We later planned our New Year's Eve celebration there too and did an overnight stay on the site. Once again, the day was planned with adventures and food, and the night was gorgeous and thoughtfully done with bonfires, music, and a lovely variety of snacks and treats. It was the perfect ringing in of the new year and made us feel like we had something to look forward to. So by taking the time out together and just talking to one another in that open green environment, we realized that we had all been feeling a little alone, and that it's important to talk and be in touch with loved ones. The two events with Rocksport really left lasting impact on our collective memories and gave us the gift of togetherness and sharing, which we had somehow forgotten about.